Welcome to Little Joys. We hope you're all doing well. Thank you for your valuable support and comments. If you haven't watched our previous videos, please watch them and subscribe to our channel. I hope you're all staying home and staying safe.
Once my ma'am asked me, what are your most favorite things? I think it was in KG2, I believe. So I replied, my most favorite things are ice creams, butterflies and rainbows. Of course, all of you like rainbows. It's very beautiful.
Friends, do you know how a rainbow is formed? Well, do you know why we see it in a bow shape and why we call it a rainbow? It is a fact that two people never see the same rainbow in the same way. So, let's explore the science behind rainbows, which is rainbow science. Friends, did you know that light has 7 different components? A rainbow is seen after a rainfall. It is because when light is entering the raindrop, it bends a little bit, which is called light refraction. So what we see as a rainbow is the reflected light of the bended light. It separates into 7 different components in a slightly different angle. So that's why it makes a rainbow shape. And the next thing is that why do we see a rainbow in a bow shape and why is it called a rainbow? Well, a rainbow is a full circle. Since we watch it from the ground, we only see half part of it. This is why it's called rainbow. And the fact that two people never see the same rainbow in the same way is that one or the other person is viewing a different set of raindrops, slightly different angle. This is why we do not see the same rainbow in the same way.
Sunlight has 7 components. That is called VIBGYOR. Today we are going to make a spectrometer. That is a tool that allows us to view the spectrum, that is the 7 components of light. So let's start. The materials required to make a spectrometer are a tube. This can be any material, it just has to be the same size. 2 plastic sheets, it should be black to cover the both ends of the tube. CD, tape, knife, pen, scissors and a paper to cover the tube. So let's start. So first what we have to do is take one of the black sheets and cover it in one side completely. Then in the other one you have to make a slit like this to allow the sunlight enter. So I'm going to do this. So I finished doing that. I made one side without slit and the other with slit. So next I'm going to take this paper and cover the sides with it to make it look more nice. So finished taping the paper. Now parallel to this you have to make an eyepiece. You have to cut out an eyepiece right here. So I made a hole to look. Next we have to right in the back of this you have to make a slit like an unhappy face. So this is my eyepiece. This is the slit that is parallel to the eyepiece. Right in the back of that, right here, we have to insert the disc. To insert the disc, I have made a marking like this. So you have to cut through this marking and insert the disc like this in a 45-degree angle. So I made a cut here. So we have to insert the CD into the slit and then you have to look through the eyepiece. So let's look through the eyepiece and look whether we can see the spectrum. Don't look direct to the sun, just go into the sunlight and observe what is happening here. Light is entering through the slit. The CD is a mirrored surface with spiral tracks. These tracks are evenly spaced, separating the colors. Because the CD's surface is mirrored, the light is reflected to your eyes.
I hope you like our video. This simple device can be used in any light source. But here we use sunlight, which will only show the VIBGYOR. You can use sodium lights, light bulbs, incandescent lights and neon lights. You can use other types of light source as well. Please like, share and give us feedback on how to improve our channel. Subscribe, like and leave a comment. Please follow us on our Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. The links are in the description box below. Until next time, Little Joy signing out.